Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change calibration settings for your Razer Viper V2 Pro. And to do this you need to click on the mouse in Razer Synapse app. You can download it from Razer Synapse official website or by watching our video on how to do it. Now here go and click on calibration. Now you can adjust the tracking distance of your mouse depending on which mousepad you have. You can adjust it to low, medium or high. You can also enable asymmetric cutoff and here adjust lift off distance and landing distance. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.